You are my mojito.
Okay.
Ready? Hi guys, welcome back from me. And where's Wally?
Where's Wally? Okay, we're making a tea infused mojito today. That's a glass. That's some alcohol infused with. Oh, you haven't actually got the tea.
What did I infuse it with?
This is a rush video.
I it weeks ago. I'm pretty sure it's a green tea. You know, I actually have no idea what.
You got it?
I got it. Oh, why are they always so hard to open?
You're doing such a pain.
Oh, so I infused white Bacardi rum with Bird & Blend. Yes, Bird & Blend again. Drop below in the comments some other tea companies that you think would have good blends for cocktails, because
we need some more.
we need some more. I mean, we don't need any more, but we need some more.
I don't think you'd say that. I'm surprised you said that. Okay, carry on.
We're using the Elderflower Prosecco Oolong tea. So this is Chinese oolong tea, elderflower, lemon verbena, apple pieces, orange peel, lemon peel, hibiscus and rosehip. Now I have seen that they do say you can make this into a gin cocktail, and I thought...
Oh really? Bird & Blend all about the cocktails, aren't they? Ah, I just thought it was us, you know, a couple of...
I mean, they just do, like, they do lockdowns in their shops and they make tea cocktails when they do a lockdown. But I thought elderflower mojito sounded incredible.
Yeah, elderflower mojitos as well. This is a proper glass in the air. Let's show it as we do. If you want to hold the glass, I'll do the measurements and stuff. So for a typical glass of mojito, being your average size long glass, you know, 3 bar spoons of sugar.
A bar spoon is 5 grams and a teaspoon is 6.
We don't have brown sugar, so we're using white sugar. Most people have got white sugar in their house. It's fine.
Granulated.
Then we get 3 lime slices, and then here we muddle all the sugar and all the lime together.
Every day I'm muddling.
Get it all so you can make a consistent sort of liquid. Don't worry, we're going to be stirring this up, but yeah, definitely make sure those limes are all squeezed up. Alright then, holding on. Wash me mud layo.
Trying to be Jim bacon.
We get some pre-made crushed ice. And you half fill the glass with the ice. This is so you get the correct dilution. You can use cubed ice, but I strongly recommend using crushed ice, because A, if you're drinking the mojito through a straw, it stops the mint leaves, which we're about to put in, going up your straw. And B, it just makes mini ice. Right, let me put the mint leaves in. So I pre-picked 12 to 15 mint leaves, depending on size. You can put that spare one in. Put the rum in there, 50 mils. Yeah.
Oh, we're just eyeballing.
Eyeballing, because you can kind of see what will happen. Yeah, a bit more. Yeah, beautiful.
I am stood on ice right now.
I'm sorry. Bars are never clean, that's why we work on bar mats. We get this and we push the mint down to the bottom. Give it a good stir. Get it all in. You don't want to do this too hard because you'll bruise the mint leaves. And if you muddle the mint leaves with the lime, you'll then get them into little bits, and again you'll bruise it and it'll go up your straw. You don't want that.
This is one of my favourite cocktails.
Yeah. Beautiful. Alright, so we're just going to top it with ice now.
Ice, baby.
You really want to compact this ice in there. Hey, it makes your drink look better for Instagram. To finish off.
I think our straws are in the garage.
So, to finish off, we put the straw in the drink, little flute.
Have you lost your mind? And then we put the straw in the girlfriend.
No, we put the lemonade in first. It should be soda, but Samantha hates soda, and I'm not one to trifle with my girlfriend, so lemonade it is. And we'd have had to buy a bottle of soda.
That's more the reason, because I mean, I love mojitos, so whatever they're doing.
Alright, and then hold there, Samantha will finish it off, and you can take maybe a picture of it. Hey, you can have a little sip. Oh, and then let me always do this with mint. Oh yeah, get that smell going around your nose. Everybody likes the smell of mint. Oh yeah, there we go. We got one tea Mojito. Ooh, that did not work at all.
Moji-tea.
But look at the drink, yo. It looks sweet. Okay, let's try.
You were really getting the oolong taste in that, so if you don't like the taste of oolong, I would not recommend this for you. If you do, this is a really interesting take on a mojito.
I like it. I like it a lot. I really like that. I would honestly say I prefer that to other mojitos. This is also a really quite well made mojito, may I say myself as well. I am definitely vibing that, but
this is probably, out of all the cocktails we've made, this is the one that tastes strongest of the tea.
Oh really? You think that, yeah?
It tastes like an oolong.
I've definitely got the take away from the rum, but it's delicious. It's right there. It
was strong right there.
Oh yeah, you got a bit strong at the bottom. I like strong. I like strong. No, it's tasted the same the whole way through for me. I can't. It's even fresh. It's even more fresh than a regular mojito. Like it's
a lot deeper than a regular mojito.
Is it the oolong that's overtaking that mint and taking that away from me? I don't know.
I think you really like this one because the oolong is giving it more of that deep whiskey bourbon kind of. No, it doesn't taste like whiskey or bourbon, but it's got that deeper taste rather than the mint, which I really like.
I can't remember what oolong tastes like off the top of my head. I cannot. You're the tea nut. I just know what a mojito tastes like.
Calling me a tea nut.
Well, you were a tea nut. What's wrong with that? Oh, thanks for shaving a little bit. We didn't make two of these for a change. We only made one.
We have more.
The sun is so in my eyes right now. Can you?
Excuse you. We're filming. Anything to add? Anything further to add?
Yeah.
Ow!
Sorry.
That one hurt.
If you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below. But also put in the comments if there's anything you want to see. Like, because we've been doing quite a bit of cocktails in the past few days, /weeks, today. So
this isn't our third outfit change of the day.
No.
Alright. Like, subscribe. Have a good day.
And love.
Bye.
Out.
Side note. If you don't...
Orange.
If you don't like the flavours of the lime. If you don't like the flavours of Easter egg. Oh, you got me. If you don't like the flavours of an oolong as much, the second one we made that was with the remnants of our lime sugar base, the rest of the alcohol, you're doing that deliberately. And it was like a little bit more lemonade than we put in the first one. And it, for me, is like, now it's perfect. Like, I think I needed a little bit more lemonade, and this is now delicious. I can't even get any of it out. It has had that little bit more sweetness, and it balances with the flavour of the oolong so well. So, actually, whether you like oolong, or you love oolong, this is a good cocktail. Perfected it. And that's another thing. What are you doing? All of the cocktails that we make, they're not strict recipes. Tweak it to your preferences. Make it so that it's your own, because isn't that what tea is?
Don't be scared to ask. I can help.
We can help.